My name is Nicole, and I'm a realtor with over 13 years of experience helping people buying and selling real estate in Princeton and its surrounding towns. Before real estate, I worked in project finance in Hong Kong, and also I worked as a financial analyst and data analyst in Hong Kong and the US respectively. So I look at a real estate business from the analytical perspective instead of an emotional one. Besides, I also have a strong eye for design. So basically, when I go to a listing appointment or when I'm hired to represent the sellers, I can use the existing set of furniture and turn them around so to help bring out the full potential of the property. I cover 3 counties, primarily in Mercercounty. And in Mercercounty, I primarily work in Princeton, West Windsor, Plainsboro, and Lawrence Township, Hopewell, and Pennington. So these are the markets that I cover the most. And besides, I also cover part of the Middlesex and also part of Somerset, such as Montgomery, Franklin Township, or even Hillsborough. So if you're looking to buy or sell in the local central New Jersey area, and reach out, I'm happy to help you.